Welcome to another video of knowing how to use the Revmax fiscal device. In this video, we're going to show you how you can generate your credit notes, or you can print your invoices through the Revmax device so that you come out with a fiscal QR code. From the previous videos, we've shown you how to connect the Revmax card, we've shown you how to open and close a fiscal day, and how to print your invoices. In this case, we want to do a credit note for a client, so I'm going to show you how you can do your credit notes. So before you start, you just have to make sure your fiscal day is opened. So here we're going to open our Revmax settings application, which is usually on our desktop screen, or you can search it on your search engine button. You just type Revmax settings. So we're going to open our Revmax settings application to open our fiscal day. So here you can see on this yellow tab it's saying our fiscal day is currently closed. So we're just going to generate a Z report. So make sure also you're connected to a stable internet connection. Also your time is correct. So we are going here to proceed and click on generate report to open our fiscal day. So here you can see on message is saying our fiscal day has been opened. So we can close the screen. There's no need to save anything. Then we proceed to our accounting package. If you are using Excel, you go to your template, then you proceed with your credit notes. So here we're going to credit a client with it, which is document number 5. So we are going ahead and choose our template. So make sure you're using the correct template. Also make sure all your details are correct, your company details and your customer details. And also make sure the date should be the day you do your credit note. So when you show everything is correct, you have also to make sure you put the credit note number, and also you have to put your reference number. The reference number is referring to the invoice you want to credit. Also make sure all your information is correct here in your line items, and make sure it's the correct currency as well. So here we're going to print this invoice to our Revmax printer to reverse this invoice. Also make sure you put the reason why you are doing that credit note. So when you're sure everything is correct, you can proceed with your invoicing. Here we're going to click on menu, then we click on print, then we choose our Revmax invoice printer, then we proceed and click OK to reverse the invoice. So here you're just going to wait for the pop-up to submit the credit note to the fiscal device. So we're going to click submit and wait for a few seconds, depending how fast your laptop is, or how fast your computer is, or how fast your network is. So I've set my Revmax so that it can save the invoices and credit notes as PDF. So here we're going to save our credit note on our desktop screen. So here we're just going to say credit test and save it on our desktop. So we're going to the location where we saved our credit note and open it and check if it has been fiscalized. So here you can see our invoice has been reversed. So if you scan this code, it should show you in negative values showing it has been reversed. So that's how we print your credit notes through the Revmax printer. You can also check your credit notes if you open a location on a local disk C. If you go to this PC and open your Windows C drive or your local disk drive, then you open the Revmax folder. You can also open the documents folder where your documents will be saved. So right here you can see this is our credit note. It has been saved here. So if you can't find your credit notes, you can just open this location and print your credit note to your local printer. So that's how you print your credit notes. So when you're done with all this, if you don't have anything you want to print, the credit notes or invoices, make sure you close your fiscal day. So we're just going to open our Revmax settings application, which is on our desktop screen. Then we're going to attempt and close our fiscal day. So before we click on generate report, make sure your network is stable. Then you just proceed and click generate report. So it shouldn't take much of your time to close the fiscal day, but it can also depend how fast the internet is that day. So you can see here it's saying our fiscal day has been closed. So that's how we do our credit notes, and that's how we close the day. That's it for this video. Thank you.